Now let us plot a curve between pressure and temperature. This is the pressure of 1 atmosphere. When the pressure was very, very low, to the tune of 0.06112 bar, which was corresponding to triple point. The temperature was 0.01 degree centigrade. Again, this corresponds to triple point. And when pressure is 1 atmosphere, that means 1.01325 bar, ice melts to water at 0.00 degree centigrade. This indicates that as we keep on going for higher and higher pressures, this temperature shall keep on decreasing. Thereby, if we plot a curve, this curve would behave like this. And from any further very low temperature, say minus 10 degrees centigrade, the pressure shall be still lower, and when we plot the curve, as pressure will keep on increasing, this temperature will keep on increasing till the temperature is 0.01 degree centigrade. That means the ice cubes taken from the refrigerator at minus 10, it remains as solid, sublimation keeps on taking place. So, all this region between this line and this line, it is all solid. Here, it is a process of sublimation. And here, it is the process of melting. The ice melts at this temperature. Further, now here we are having solid, ice, as well as liquid, as well as vapors. So this condition, ice, water and vapors. Further, to this water at 0.01 degree centigrade, vapors are also there. Further, as the pressure gets increased, the temperature, the saturation temperature also shall keep on increasing. And we find at atmospheric pressure of 1.01325 bar, the saturation temperature is 100 degree centigrade. Water is vaporizing. So this curve shall be for vaporization. Further, when the pressure becomes 10 bar, if you look up the steam table, you will find now the corresponding temperature is 179.9 degrees centigrade. Please check up your steam tables. This way, we keep on going higher and higher pressures. The saturation temperature shall be higher and higher. And if you see, when the pressure is 221.2 bar, the so-called critical pressure, corresponding to which the saturation temperature shall be 374.15 degree centigrade. The so-called critical temperatures. You can check up from the steam tables once again. Pressure 10 bar, saturation temperature 179.9. 221.2 bar, 374.15. If we are interested to check up the volume corresponding, then the critical volume shall be 0.003155 cubic meter per kg. So friends, a curve between pressure and temperature, all region on this side of melting curve and sublimation curve, it is all solid. Here melting takes place, so this will mean this side it should be all liquid. Here it was all ice, here it is all water. Along this curve, the vaporization is taking place, That means this side, sublimation, vaporization, that means vapors are formed. Here also, after water at saturation temperature, vapors are formed. So solid, liquid and gaseous state. That means vapors. That means steam. As earlier I told you, this behavior is only for ice to water, melting. If you see any other pure substance, these two curves remain the same. This curve, the slope will be on this side. For all pure substances, for all other pure substances. So friends, for ice, water and steam, these three variations are the most important variations to start understanding the properties of the pure substance.